RedMagic 11 Pro Plus water-cooled gaming phone, immersive unboxing video leaks. The RedMagic 11 Pro is set to launch on October 17th, the brand's latest teasers. A recent Weibo post reveals a triple rear setup that includes two 50MP cameras, likely primary and ultra-wide. Shared a few main camera samples taken in different lighting conditions, and honestly, they look impressive. Brand already sharing following images to showcase its design for the first time. This device aims to redefine smartphone cooling standards by merging water and air systems, marking an industry-first implementation in mobile devices. The RedMagic 11 Pro will be available in transparent deuterium silver wing, transparent deuterium dark night, and silver wing Aries. Transparent variants feature a stunning rear design with a visible water cooling ring, where blue coolant appears to flow inside. The back panel remains completely flat with no camera protrusion. The front houses a full display with an under-display selfie camera, ensuring a seamless viewing experience without notches or punch holes, and an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. The phones will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC, powered by the upgraded Wind 4.0 fan, which spins at up to 24,000 revolutions per minute. It also features a IPX8 water resistance. RedMagic 11 Pro series may feature a 50-megapixel front camera, an approximately 8,000 mAh battery, with 120W charging support, which will completely solve the endurance anxiety of heavy gaming players. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.